Good morning. I hope you're well. Today's a little bit cooler day in the Costa Blanca, but it's very pleasant. I'm off to Moraira to take a closer look at the harbour and the main beach and a couple of other things. I will also be taking a look at the bronze statue which is near the fort, which is quite incredible. I'm going to walk around a little bit. We'll probably end up at the Playa de Moraira, the lovely beach. It's quite early in the morning. It's the end of July and it's getting pretty hot here, so I like to get out early. This is the fort. The old fort, of course. In the distance, Calpe Rock. A few jet skis waiting to go out. There's a big mob of people over there. I don't know where they come from. Must have come off a coach. If you've never been to Moraira, it's a beautiful town. Now we're in Club Nautico. We're going to show you my new boat. I wish. I think there's about 600 boats here. How the other half live, huh? Here's a little shot of one of the small streets going up from the harbour. You find many restaurants in there. Too many to count. I was intrigued by this statue. I couldn't find anything online about it, but the little boy or the little girl is holding a fish, so I just called it the fish boy. If you know the answer to that, perhaps you put it in the comments. I'd appreciate that. Now this is Really cool, I think. It's called the Salt Giant. And apparently the two guys that made it allow it to go all round the world. And I think it's been in Moraira for a few years now. So it might be on its way soon. If you like this video, please subscribe and give us a like. It helps a lot. Now we're at the main beach. This is absolutely stunning. It's just exactly what you want on a summer holiday. The water's clear blue. And of course again there's Calpa in the distance.